everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have this month's January Birchbox. I am curious to see of how this month is going to go because I do know that for the past couple months I have not been that excited about my Birchbox. You know, the items are okay, but it's not really something that I'm like, yeah, I want to use that right now, and I'm, you know, going crazy about the products or anything. So last month for December, they actually had a couple of like extra goodies. We had like the eyelash curler and stuff like that, and it was a pretty good box. You know, I was kind of like, ooh, you know, stepping up a little bit. Let's see how this goes. So I'm excited to see how this January box is going. I have already opened the box because I'm sorry, I got very irritated during the last video trying to get the little tabby things off, and you just hate me, don't you? Oh, Ben, I'm gonna beat you. Ha! You're still not opening! This box does not like me this month apparently, because I got two of the sides off, but the front one is not coming off. I had the same problem this month as I did last month. I don't know why. I guess the box hates me, but I have not looked at it. So I just took off like the outer pieces here. So let's just go ahead and get into it. The box for this month is very interesting to me. It kind of gives me like a Picasso feel to it. So here's the box. Let's go get into it. So for this month it says, find your happy. Very cute. Okay, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items for this month. And I show one's a bonus, so. Okay. Okay, I am probably pronouncing this wrong. I even had to look onto the paper to double check if the writing is correct. I think it's DOUCCE Cosmetics. Freematic eyeshadow. It's a single. The color is in Veronica. Wear this shade solo or with the exclusive DOUCCE and Birchbox Freematic eyeshadow quad. It's like I want to swatch this, but at the moment, if you guys can tell, it's got like a patterning on it, kind of like a crosswork pattern. It's so pretty. I don't want to like mess it up, but I'm going to. Yeah, so it is glittery and it has like an orange, almost like an orange umber color right here. It's pretty. It's not as pigmented as I thought it would be. I feel like this is more of like a transition color, not an overall lid color, which I find is weird that it's sparkly. So it's a little strange to me, but I mean, they'll still get used. Let's go ahead and go on to the next item. Complexion Boosting Moisturizer with Hyaluronic Acid by Air Repair. Okay, this rejuvenating cream formulated with frequent flyers of all skin types in mind is filled with antioxidants, humectants that moisturize a dry, stressed out complexion. Okay, white cream. Just gonna put a little bit on my hand. Yep, just smells like a simple moisturizer. Goes down pretty well. Okay, next item. Ooh, it's a little container. Badlands, R+Co Dry Shampoo Paste. Interesting. I don't know what this is. Like, I've never come across a product like this. I'm kind of curious. Part dry shampoo, part texturizer. This paste offers max style with little effort. Rub a small amount between fingertips and apply at roots to quickly absorb oil and add volume. Okay, so it sounds kind of like a hair gel slash, as it says, dry shampoo. I'm curious to try this out. I tend to have very oily hair, and especially with right now when I cut my hair, I can't put it up in a hair tie very easily to hide some of the lovely grease that I have. So I am pushed to wash my hair more often, at least every day, if I want it down, and I do what I can. But dry shampoo is something that's really, really great. Lovely invention, because at least it lets me put off trying to take that shower every day to wash my hair. Trying out new products that can help with oil control, I'm like, because after 24 hours, this is a grease ball. I will be honest. So I'm really excited to try this out. I'm hoping that it's not a huge heavy smell, so smells fine. Very herby. This texture is so weird though. I was thinking it was going to be almost like a mousse paste, but it's quite solid in here. It's almost like a lip balm, like a hard lip balm. And I know this is for your hair, so this might seem like a small amount, but I mean, this is actually pretty packed in there, so I feel like this was actually a good amount of product. Okay, so next item. Okay, this is actually a very big item. It was kind of stopping the box from closing, so I thought this is interesting. Love shampoo. Enriched with olive extract, fatty acids, and vitamin E, this formula smooths frizz and tingle-prone strands while you wash. I like that they put this in like a little bottle, because I hate the little packages that you have to tear off the top of them and like push out whatever shampoo or conditioner is in there and try to use them as a sample. They're so annoying. So I'm kind of glad that they put it in a container like this. This actually looks like a pretty good sample size. So I'm excited, and I'm glad that helps with frizz. The lovely thing about this winter is that my hair gets so dry and frizzy and it's horrible. I have to keep putting lotion in my hair trying to help. There's no like discernible scent with this. Fragrance smell, that's it. Nothing too crazy. And actually what's funny, after I just saw that, after I just complained about the little packages they gotta squeeze out of it, they did give me the conditioner to that shampoo. But it is in a little package. So this is the Love conditioner, which is actually the bonus for this month, which I find is kind of funny. Like, why would they give me the full sample of the shampoo but then give you like a little tiny sample of the conditioner? Like, I'll get maybe two uses out of this, where the shampoo I'm gonna get a lot more uses out of it because it's a large bottle, but that's just my thinking. I don't know. Okay, so this conditioner is infused with olive extract and nourishing fatty acids to fight frizz and boost intense moisture and shine. So they work hand in hand with the shampoo as well as the conditioner. Okay, so that leaves us to the last item for this month, which is a Smashbox. Another brand that I've not seen in here that's kind of a more slightly well-known brand. No, I would say Smashbox pretty well-known. But Birchbox is usually ones that the brands you find are very like out of the blue. You've never heard of them before. So to see something like Smashbox on here is like, okay. Okay, so this is their Always On Liquid Lipstick. This warm pink matte liquid lipstick stays in place all day, yet remains hydrated with the help of the brand's primer oil complex. So I'm guessing this is not a matte. This one is in driver's seat. I don't know how a color could be called driver's seat. What? Is that the color of the leather on the seat? That doesn't make sense to me, but okay. It looks like a pretty color. It's like a pinky red. Ooh. Okay, so what's interesting with this, I have honestly not come across this yet. I have seen other YouTubers and such who try out some of these lippies, and they have this new applicator. So it's got a hole in the center. It's kind of like a teardrop shape, and then it's got a hole on the center of the applicator, which I think is very interesting. I've not seen that before. I've never tried one like that, so I'm wondering if it's a little bit easier to apply or something. Shall see. Okay, and here is the swatch of the color. Again, very pretty. I almost think that this has like a slight orange tint, like it's a red orange almost. Alrighty then, that is all that I have for you guys for this January's Birchbox. As always, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. That really helps me, lets me know that you guys are liking this type of content and for me to continue with it. And if you like me, then please subscribe. Thank you.